What is up, Brian? You smoking weed, Nango? Yeah, that looks very nice. Looks very happy, doesn't it? Guess where we're going? Fuck, that's bright. Guess where we're going? We're going to... Brian, you want to tell them where we're going? Filiberto's, Mexican food. You gonna buy me a half rack of fucking carne asada fries or what? Is that what you're gonna do?
I'll buy you some rolled tacos.
Okay. Dude, you guys, I'm fucking broke as fuck, bro. I am the definition of having not a cent to my name right now. Like, seriously, I have no fucking money. I have $0. I just got a job. But anyways, it's fucking midnight. It's like midnight. We're gonna go on a midnight taco run. Or rolled taco run. In his fucking shitty Nissan. Because we can't drive my car because it has a V8. I just got a new car. Let's get the fuck out of my trailer. Do I need my wallet for anything? I don't, do I? Because I can't buy shit. Everybody, I rock your body. I can barely see anything. Okay, let's go. Hey, unlock it, bro. Is this door handle broken now? Welcome to Burns Nissan Sentra. Isn't that your name?
Can I get that cord, the C-charger cord?
For your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, you want to hold this?
Yeah.
Go ahead and say something while I'm gone so I could listen to it later and be surprised.
Something while I'm gone.
Something surprise me. Surprise me.
Periwinkle's pip nipple language. Skeeterelski. Nipple tweaking bubbly govers. Look, it's a baby Jesus butt plug. Watch with it go straight to heaven.
There you go. All right, let's roll. Want to plug your phone for you? There you go. Damn it, motherfucker. There you go. Is it going? Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, bro. I don't know what else to vlog besides the fact that we're going. So I guess I could just cut to the fact that we're at the restaurant. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You want to say something funny?
Something funny.
How about something like that? Dude, this light's so fucking bright. It's entering my cranial fucking brain cord or whatever the fuck. Uh-oh, look what we have here. Uh-oh. Do you think the lobby's open?
No.
They have to go to the drive-thru, huh?
Yeah.
About time. Tacos, 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 tacos. Okay.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Yes, hello. I would like to order 3 orders of rolled tacos.
You want 3 orders of the grilled taco?
Of the rolled tacos. It's a special today, right?
Yeah. You want 3 of those?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
614, thank you.
How much are they? How, like, what do they sell them in and how much are they?
I have no idea.
Really? You never ordered them before? I wonder. What are we getting, 9?
Yeah.
For $6?
614. 3 orders of the grilled taco, right?
What's that?
You want 3 orders of the grilled tacos?
Of the rolled tacos, yeah.
Red.
Yeah, could we get red sauce and can I get a bag of jalapenos?
Is that better? Fuck, why didn't we have it like that before in the first place? Do they come with guacamole?
Thank you very much.
Wow. Let me see this. We're gonna go home and eat?
I was gonna eat mine in the car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool. We'll do that.
You need to pee in the bush, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Park over here? Or what?
Fuck that. Look at this.
You're not supposed to go back here.
I know.
What are you doing?
Going back here anyways.
This is the fucking school, dude.
I know, but look, you can go over here and pee in the dumpster.
Dude,
area.
are you sure there's like not cameras out in this motherfucker, bro? Like,
There's a building.
oh my god.
You can pee
You're
right
fucking, you're crazy. This is the school ground, bro.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, why would they leave the gate open though? What the fuck? That's questionable, isn't it?
That is questionable.
Yeah, what?
I'm gonna turn around.
Okay. Alright, you ready to feast?
I'm ready.
Alright, here. Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
You got it. Want some red sauce with that?
I want my bag of jalapenos.
You don't want red? Here you go. Alright, you guys want to see what it looks like? Check it out in this motherfucking hizzy. Yeah. Aren't these called taquitos?
Yeah.
You want to know the thing I love about this the most? It costs the price of a bag of chips. Oh my god, aqua. Look at that shit. You see it?
Aquafina.
Do you see how fucking clear that water is?
It's clear as fuck,
Dude, look at this shit. You can see right through it. It's like it's not even there.
It's like
It's like it's
not
not.
in there.
It's like it's non-existent.
I got cheese in my crotch.
Dude, I just fucking bought this shirt. Can it be clean for 10 minutes? Whoa, gasoline. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Hit again. Hit again. Hit again. Hit again.
Where are we? Tell them.
Where are we?
Yeah, where are we?
Trip.
Quick trip. Quick trip in America.
Quick trip.
You gonna buy me a drink, Brian?
You gonna plug me?
Brian. 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 You gonna buy me a drink, Brian? Brian. Brian. Yo, Brian.
Yo.
Buy me a drink. It does? Why didn't you try it before you bought it? This is good. This is my Rooster booster, dog. It's gonna boost my roost, dog. You know what I'm saying? Dog? Guys, this is called Rooster Booster. Okay, it's like Mountain Dew, but like with caffeine extra. It's not like Mountain Dew. You wanna try some?
No, I'm good.
No? Why not? What the fuck, dude? Look at him getting gas like a fucking human being filling their car with gas.
Smile like a donut. Oh!
Look, you guys. Biden did this to us. 1.5 gallons is fucking $7 right now. Are you serious, bro? You know what, dude? I'm gonna sue Biden. Can I sue Biden? Do you think it's possible that I could sue Biden, Brian? I'll just take that as a yes. Get in your fucking key. Resident Evil 4.
You're not gonna buy me a drink, Brian? Brian, buy me a drink.
Oh my god! Like, I don't know why you have to be such a dick about it. Say it again, see what happens.
It again.
Say it again.
It again.
That's not what I mean.
Brian, give me a soda. You never give me a soda.